Does this happen to you?
Achoo! Ugh.
Whoa.
What happened? I sneezed.
But not anymore, because with this new revolutionary product of our advanced technology of cheap tissues and breakable hairbands, you can go from this
Ew.
to this.
Chew. Wow.
Look at that shine. It's so stylish, you can use it when you're washing the car, when you're locked out of your house,
Whoopsies.
or when you're begging for money on the street.
Homeless, please help. Homeless, please help.
The sneeze pad comes with one reusable hairband to strap your tissues in and one cruddy tissue to use. If you want more, you have to buy them. But the sneeze pad is not $59.99, not $69.99, but $152.99. Act now in the next 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your deal is over. Directed and filmed by Maddy.
No hobos were harmed in the making of this video.